scholars, welcome back to the studies after the Diwali vacation. Children, in the last video, that is the third part of the video, we have seen about some famous people from the present period and we have seen detailed information about Mother Teresa. So today we'll go ahead with the chapter. And in today's video, the things which we are going to learn are famous people from the present period and we will see detailed information about Kalpana Chawla. I know that you all have heard name of Kalpana Chawla, but do you know where she was born and how she did her aerospace engineering? So let's see the detailed information about Kalpana Chawla. Children, Kalpana Chawla was born in a place called Karnal and it is in Punjab, and she was born in the year 1962. She was the youngest among her three siblings. Siblings means brother and sister, and youngest means smaller one. So she was born in Karnal in Punjab in the year 1962. It can be asked in fill in the blanks, children, that Kalpana Chawla was born in dash. So you will write in Punjab. Okay, let's go ahead. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian American astronaut and the first Indian woman to go to space. So, children, do you know why it is called Indian American astronaut? Because she was born in India but worked with an organization which is in America. So, she was known as Indian American astronaut, and she was the first Indian woman to go into the space. Now don't get confused about the first woman of the world to go into the space. You have to find the name of the woman to the space. Now was first Indian woman to go into the space. After completing her school education, she went to the University of Punjab for further studies. What it means that after schooling, where she went for the graduation in University of Punjab for further studies. After that, she went to the University of Texas for further studies in aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering means the studies of aerospace, which studies of the space. Okay, so where she went to do that in the University of Texas. So she completed her engineering in aerospace from University of Texas. Kalpana Chawla joined NASA and her dream of going to space finally came true. Yes, so she joined NASA and her dream came true. What is NASA? NASA is an American organization that does research. This is the symbol of NASA. So that organization does research about the space and also organizes the space travel. So NASA, she joined NASA and there she worked and she traveled into the space. In 1997, in her first space mission, she traveled 10.67 million kilometers. That is equal to going 252 times around the earth. That means one rotation we complete, second rotation around the earth we complete. In the same way, when we complete 252 times of the rotation around the earth, it covers 10.67 million kilometers. In her first space mission. And children, that space mission was completed successfully. But in the second space mission, which was in 2003, this mission met with an accident. Kalpana Chawla and other crew members were returning to the earth in the space shuttle called Columbia. Not only Kalpana Chawla, but other crew members who were there with her in the space shuttle, they were returning to the earth. And while returning to the earth, they met with an accident. And in the space shuttle which they were returning was named as Columbia. That space shuttle broke into many pieces when they entered into the Earth's atmosphere. Can you see in the picture? This is the crew members of Kalpana Chawla, and when they were entering into the Earth's atmosphere, the space shuttle named Columbia broke down into the many pieces. After the accident, many countries introduced memorials to honor her. Means after the accident, many countries they remember Kalpana Chawla, and to honor her sacrifice, they have done many memorials. So what India did, India has renamed satellite MatSat 1 as Kalpana 1. What it means that India was having one satellite which was named as MatSat 1, but after the death of Kalpana Chawla, that was renamed as Kalpana 1. NASA dedicated a supercomputer in her memory. What did NASA does? Where she worked, she NASA dedicated supercomputer in her memory. Kalpana Chawla often used to visit her hometown and motivated young girls to follow their dream. Means what? That Kalpana Chawla, where she was from Karnal, and in Punjab, she used to go and visit over there. Her hometown was there. There she used to motivate the young girls to follow their dreams. She once said, the path from dreams to success does exist. Means what? Whatever dream, whatever we have dreamed that I want to become this, the path to achieve that dream is there. But we should have the vision to find it. Means what? May you have the vision to find it. That path is our that path, right? The we should have the courage to get into it. We should have that much courage that we should follow that path, and perseverance to follow it. It means that whether there are so many failures, so many ups and downs, we should not be sad and leave it. We should follow it. We should have that much courage to follow our path. So children, that was about Kalpana Chawla. In this video, we have seen about the detailed information about Kalpana Chawla, and I want that you study it from students book also. So in the next video, we will see more about the some famous people from present period, and we will see about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Till then, everyone take care of yourself, study well, and bye bye.